So, good morning to everybody. I am Dr. N. Vijay Kumar, Principal Program Coordinator, working in Perandalavar Kamarajan Krishi Vigyan Kendra, Puducherry. Actually, our country is a agrarian country. We all know that our country is an agrarian country, and also lot of farmers are doing agriculture. Most 70% of the farm, 70% most of the 70% of the farmers doing agriculture business. So, in this context, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, Thiru Narendra Modi ji, and also Honorable Central Agriculture Minister, Shivraj Singh ji, actually they emphasize more upon the actually this uh, Dikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan program to create awareness among the farming community about the government schemes and also latest technologies among the farming community. So in this context, so actually our country is organizing this Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan program in all over the country in 700 districts in India. So in Pondicherry, actually in Tirukanji village at Villinur commune, so we launched this program with the support of Honorable Agriculture Minister of Agriculture, Jaikumar ji. Actually, he has inaugurated this program at Tirukanji village in 29th, this 29th May 2025. Actually, this program is continued up to 12th June for 15 days time in various villages. Actually, we are covering 3 villages in a day. So, we are almost covering 15 days, sir. 3 villages means 45 villages. We are going to cover all the villages, 45 villages in Puducherry. So, in order to create awareness among the farming community about latest technologies, starting from seed, high quality seed, and also the seasonal varieties, and also natural farming, soil health record, balanced use of fertilizers, including micronutrients, and also use of organic fertilizers, and also using drone technology. So besides this, we have to concentrate more upon, value addition technologies, fisheries, rearing technology, fish culture, aquaculture, and also mechanization technology in agriculture. So these are the things we are going to concentrate upon more upon under the latest technologies among the farming community. So besides this, we have to create awareness among the central government and state government schemes. What are the benefited schemes for the benefit of the farmers? We are going to tell the farmers in this program. So this program is going to cover 15 days totally in 3 villages per day. 45 villages we are going to cover in nutshell. Thank you so much.